Here. So a lot of people have been complaining recently that the new iPhone 7 lacks the headphone jack. It's something that's been on every generation model iPhone. It's not there anymore. You got to use an adapter, or you got to wait until the $159 wireless earpods that you might drop and somebody's going to step on. So I found a perfect solution to this problem, guys. It's a very simple tutorial. Just follow along, guys. I don't even have to talk here. So now if it starts doing this, guys, this is perfectly normal. This means you're on your way to getting a brand new headphone jack. And just like that, guys, you have your brand new fully built 3.5mm headphone jack. And best of all, you can take your headphones, the ones you've always loved and known, you plug it in, turn on the iPhone, you swipe, you play your favorite song, and you enjoy the music. Peace out.